Good morning, everybody. Good morning from Lunan Bay. It's Tuesday today, day off today, and doing a wee tour off the coast. I just came down here to see if the castle was still standing, and it's still there, folks. Red Castle is there. It is just there, still standing. Or it's now better known Scooby-Doo Towers. I don't know if you can actually see. No, you can't see from here because it looks like Scooby-Doo from the side. So yeah, doing a wee tour off the coast today. It was such a horrible day yesterday. It rained non-stop yesterday, folks, and there's floods everywhere. So nobody could really get out the shops or the houses and anything yesterday. So I've got an unusual 2 days off this week, yeah. Because officially we don't get a day off next week because we're going to Turkey. So we actually have to take an extra day off this week. But yeah, going to have a wee dive up the coastline and just see what's been happening with the storms. That's the stone off Morphy, which is just in between Montrose and St Cyrus. Just cut off the road there, and you'll see the big stone. It's got like a Mickey Mouse shaped kind of thing on it. It's like kind of ears and Mickey Mouse face. A bit weird. Right, next stop, folks. Swamps. It's the swampland. Now we're here in St Cyrus, folks. Next stop in this little mini tour off the coast. And the sun's come back out again now. It's lovely. And the wind's died down just a little bit. So yeah, just heading down to the beach. Going to see if we maybe get to the waterfall today. It's quite a long walk along, but so that's 3 coastal walks I've had this week, folks. If you're getting fed up on my coastal walks, this will just be a short video, this one though. Don't want to kind of bore you. Hopefully get back to some different things next week. At least we've got a stone on this one. We've got a standing stone, which is not featured for a while. There's 2 people, I think, on the beach at the minute. I think they're heading towards the waterfall as well. Right, got about 45 minutes to low tide, so it's quite hard to get around there just when the tide's kind of just at that level, but I'll have a look in a minute. We'll go and check out the cave because this cave's quite cool, but again, it might be full of water, folks. Let's sit here. Right, in we go. Dripping. Excuse my sniffing today, folks. I think I've got a bit of a cold from yesterday's escapade stuck in the rain. Right, that was the cave. Right, this is the normal way in through here, folks. Through this little ravine, but just have to be careful as normal. Just as I thought, folks, a lot of water on it today, as you can see. So there we are, folks. There it is, the beautiful St Cyrus Waterfall. As I thought, there's lots of water on it today. Now, I used to be able to get down and stand on that log there, but I'm not going to risk that today. Make a good flume all the way down it. The log's actually moving in the water. Lovely, lovely jubbly. So I think that's all the footage we're going to get today, folks. You've seen this before, so I'm not going to as I said, bore you with the same old thing. But it's always nice to see, especially when there's lots of water involved. So that's when it goes sort of way down there, folks, and into the sea. Now I have somehow to get back. That's always the worst bit, trying to get through there. Allegedly the tide's going out, but I still think it's coming in. So the tide is going out, folks. I was correct in the first place. So you can walk right along the seafront here, but every so often a rogue wave comes in. You have to kind of scatter back onto the main sand. Actually feel the rain coming, folks. A bit bizarre because it's nice and sunny in front of me. And obviously a bit of rain from behind. So anyway, near the back of the car now, so that was a good little stroll there along St Cyrus Beach. It's beautiful. Right, there's the full rainbow now, folks can see it. Try and get myself out of the way, there we go. It's sunny, but it's raining.